This is a woven fabric that is printed. The pattern is of some flying birds. The color is reading on the monitor that it is a royal blue. I would say it's definitely is more of a teal blue than the royal. And then the birds are sort of in a linen-y cream tone color. The fabric has sort of a linen sort of feel to it, meaning that it's sort of a medium weight, upholstery weight fabric, yet I'm pretty sure it's more of a cotton-like fabric. This would be so cute as you know, some fantastic curtains. It would be great as a chair cover, seat covers. It would be great as pillows. It would even be great as a purse. It's a really, really cute fabric. It has a fantastic drape. Really kind of holds up really, really nicely. And then the repeat of this has a nice long repeat. Let me see here. So I am gonna pick this little guy right here, and we're gonna go all the way to the other end for the other side, which, let me see here, show you. Okay, so it's coming all the way down, so it's a 26.5-inch repeat there horizontally, and then vertically, a little bit more manageable here. Is 12.5-inch repeat there. Anyways, this is a really, really cute fabric. It is a closeout. So again, if you're concerned about the color, because it is definitely not showing on the monitor the exact color, you can get the swatch, and if not, you know, just know that the color is definitely a little bit more teal, and you know, when it's gone, but it is a fantastic, fantastic fabric.